Getting a new tattoo is a significant commitment, and using a tattoo care kit is a really good way to get the most out of your tattoo. Each kit includes pre-care and aftercare products to keep your skin moisturized, healthy, and heal optimally. Healthy, moisturized skin holds ink better than dry, damaged skin. So proper skincare before you get tattooed is key in ending up with the tattoo that you want. In the end, the better your tattoo heals, the better your tattoo is going to look. Our tattoo care kits will include after-inked premium tattoo moisturizer and, of course, Saniderm. Using Saniderm prevents scabbing, preserving your tattoo's color throughout the healing process. Using Saniderm in tandem with after-inked lotion during the healing process is the best way to protect color and make sure you get the best looking tattoo.